Go to Windows search bar, type CMD, right click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. Wait till it scans. After the scan, go to any browser, type Visual C++, Now go to Windows search bar again, type system information, check whether your system type is 64 or 32 and download it based on your system type. After downloading, install it. Second step. Right click on that application which is not opening. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check Run this program in compatible mode. Check Disable Full Screen. Check Run this program as administrator. Exit and restart your computer. That's it, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.